Have you ever found yourself traveling abroad only to be hit with exorbitant fees for using your traditional bank card? It's a frustrating experience that can quickly dampen your travel spirits. But what if there was a bank that could eliminate those hidden charges and offer you a seamless, hassle-free banking experience, no matter where you are in the world? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Starling Bank and explore how you can make the most of this innovative digital bank when you're traveling abroad. From understanding its key features to navigating currency exchange and international payments, we'll cover everything you need to know. Section 1. What is Starling Bank? Let's start by understanding what Starling Bank is all about. It's a UK-based digital bank that offers a range of financial products, including current accounts, savings accounts, and business accounts. One of its standout features is its ability to operate seamlessly across borders, making it a popular choice for travelers and expats. Section 2. Key features for travelers. Now, let's delve into some of the key features that make Starling Bank a great companion for your travels. Fee-free international transactions. One of the biggest advantages of using Starling Bank abroad is that you won't be charged any fees for making international payments or withdrawals. This can save you a significant amount of money, especially if you're traveling extensively. Real-time currency conversion. Starling Bank offers real-time currency conversion, meaning you'll always know the exact exchange rate you're getting when you make a transaction. This transparency can help you avoid unexpected fees or unfavorable exchange rates. Global ATM access. Starling Bank gives you access to a global network of ATMs, so you can easily withdraw cash wherever you go. And because there are no ATM fees charged by Starling Bank, you'll only pay the local ATM fee, which is often minimal. Mobile app convenience. The Starling Bank app is designed to be user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. You can check your balance, make payments, and set spending limits all from your smartphone. Travel spending insights. The app also provides you with valuable insights into your travel spending, helping you track your expenses and stay within your budget. Section 3. Setting up Starling Bank for travel. Before you embark on your journey, there are a few things you need to do to prepare your Starling Bank account for travel. Activate international use. Ensure that international use is activated on your Starling Bank account. This is usually done through the app or online banking. Load your account. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your Starling Bank account to cover your travel expenses. You can easily transfer money from your other bank accounts to your Starling Bank account. Consider a travel card. Starling Bank also offers a travel card that can be a convenient option for making payments abroad. It's essentially a prepaid card linked to your Starling Bank account. Section 4. Using Starling Bank abroad. Now that you're all set, let's explore how to use Starling Bank abroad. Making payments. When making payments abroad, simply use your Starling Bank card as you would any other debit card. You'll be charged in the local currency, and the conversion will be done at the real-time exchange rate. Withdrawing cash. To withdraw cash, find an ATM and insert your Starling Bank card. Select your preferred currency and enter the amount you want to withdraw. The funds will be deducted from your Starling Bank account. Checking your balance. You can easily check your balance and transaction history through the Starling Bank app. Setting spending limits. To protect yourself from unauthorized transactions, consider setting spending limits on your Starling Bank card. This can be done through the app or online banking. Section 5. Tips for traveling with Starling Bank. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when traveling with Starling Bank. Notify your bank. Before you travel, it's a good idea to notify Starling Bank of your travel plans. This will help prevent your card from being blocked due to unusual activity. Keep your card secure. Protect your Starling Bank card and PIN number at all times. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash. Monitor your account. Regularly check your Starling Bank account for any unusual activity. If you notice anything suspicious, contact Starling Bank immediately. Using Starling Bank abroad can offer a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling. By understanding its key features and following the tips we've discussed, you can make the most of this innovative digital bank and enjoy a hassle-free travel experience. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.